Hey cousins, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this look, matte black and red with red bottoms. If you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. But of course, we got to have a drink first. So today I am trying Moscow Mule, which has ginger and lime in it. And baby, when I first drunk it, that ginger really hit the back of my throat, baby. I started coughing a little bit. I was like, wait a minute. But it pretty much is giving ginger ale with a little bit of alcohol. It's giving a little bit of tequila. It was good though. I would definitely try it again. I ordered it from GoPuff. Oh, that's liquid. Oh, that's liquid. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's the one. Okay. All right, so let's get into this set. So the first time I created the set, I did 2 sugar nails, which I did not like because the reflectors are green and yellow, so it was just throwing the entire look off. I was just like, let's change that. So I went ahead and created 2 marble nails instead, and it was cute, but then I started to not feel that beige bottom on the black tip nails, and I was like, you know what, I gotta change that again. So I went ahead and did a clear bottom, and I did try this in matte, but I wasn't really feeling that either. Y'all, I created this set like 10 times. I'm surprised I even have gel polish left, but this is the final look that I came up with. I'm completely satisfied, so let's just jump right into it. So the tips I'm going to be using are the 3XL square tips. I got these from Amazon. Everything will be linked down in the description box below, so y'all be sure to check that out. I don't care for these tips because it has a high apex, and my nail beds are naturally flat, or they flatten out over time from getting acrylics. Whatever the case may be, that's the only bad thing about these. So if you have a flat nail bed, these probably will not be a good fit for you. But I did find a way to apply them to where it's not a space between my natural nail and the nail tip. So first things first is I'm going to measure where my natural nail ends. That way I don't put any gel polish after that line, and I'm going to use a French tip guide sticker, just, you know, so I can keep my stuff straight. Once I have them all, you know, guided out, so I'm going to go ahead and shave off the shine on the nail. You don't have to do this step. You don't have to use an e-file. You can literally wipe some alcohol in the inside or use a buffer. But I was just trying to be extra. Each time I do my press-ons, I always do a different technique just to see what works best for me. So I'm still trying to like figure out which method is best. So each time you see a video, I'm gonna be doing something different, child. Don't expect the same thing from me. I can guarantee you that. After I have shaved all of the insides down, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off with a Q-tip and some alcohol just to remove the excess dust particles. You don't want to contaminate your gel polish. I'm going to be using my Savvyland bright red color, and I did 2 coats of the red on each nail. I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Boom. So this is how we're looking after we've applied the 2 coats to the back of each nail. Next, I'm going to go in with some IBD gel, hard gel. This is basically like acrylic in gel form. I got this off of Amazon as well. Link in the description box. So I did 1 layer of this, and it basically helps harden up the nail. And the only reason why I'm using this is because the nails are longer and I don't want them to break. I'm trying to give them some stability and a chance to last. So here we are. I don't really know how to use or apply gel, hard gel, the correct way. I just did whatever flow at the time, and then I'm going to cure it for 60 minutes on each nail. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Boom. So this is how we're looking after we got the hard gel on it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and top that off with Model 1's matte top coat. Again, this is from Amazon. A lot of the stuff I'm using in these videos is from Amazon, because I am a beginner. I don't want to spend a lot of money, so although I already have. Anyways, next I'm going to file the top of the nail. Again, you don't have to do this. You could literally just use a buffer file or a buffer block to get that shine off. You do not have to be extra like me. Alright, so boom, after I've gotten everything buffed out, I'm going to go ahead and wipe that off with some alcohol as well. Next, I'm going to take these French manicure stickers and, you know, basically make my guide for my black nail tips. These stickers came from a kit, but you could literally type in French manicure stickers on Amazon or wherever and it'll pop up. So I did 2 coats of black, and make sure y'all are wearing y'all gloves because these products will cause skin irritation. I'm just using a matte top coat. Oh, they fine. Next, you're going to get your black polish and put it on a palette, a mixing palette. I don't know why I use this. And then I'm just going to be using my dotting tool, but you really should be using like a brush because it'll get the product on there thick enough. That way the little bubbles can raise a little bit. But I'm working with what I had. I didn't have no brush for this type of style at that time, but I do now. But use a brush, not a dotting tool. And you're just going to draw straight lines straight across the nail all the way up. And then you're going to come back down and draw lines in between.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss?
Once you got your lines drawn on, I'm going to be using some clear acrylic. This is from an acrylic kit that I got off of Amazon, again, when I was trying to do acrylics back in the day. And you're just going to basically sprinkle that all over the nail, tap off the excess, and cure it for a minute. This is what my set is looking like so far. Super fire. But this crocodile-esque nail, I would do it totally different next time. Next, I'm going to take my Bell Boost Rhinestone Glue Gel, which means it has to be cured with the UV lamp. And I'm going to go ahead and start doing my marble nails. So for this, I'm literally just taking the glue and randomly placing it all over the nail. That way, the gel can spread in a marble-esque type of way. And I am applying black as well as apricot from Savvyland. And I actually did too much black on these marble nails, but the other one you can really see the red peek through. I'll show y'all in the video in a second.
See more comments, and I see commas.
So as you can see, the other set has more red peeking through, and I loved it. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started on some bling. This bling, girl, I know y'all tired of me saying it at this point. I got it from Amazon. I think it came in a kit with several other blings.
Trying to get me off my cues and peace. Why can't losers never lose in peace? Ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God before he find me. Tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, high that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta.
So I'm gonna go ahead and bling out my pointy finger and my pinky finger. I'll let y'all watch, and then I'll come back when I'm showing y'all the try on.
I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Here is the finished set. Let's see how they look. Boom. Ooh, fire. This is the nail gel glue I'm using to apply my nails, and boom. So freaking bomb. So satisfied. I would definitely do this set again. I would just change up a few different things, and you guys will see more of my technique on things as I progress as a nail enthusiast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.